Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Power Automate to access Planner in Task. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Power Automate website. Log in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, locate the Data tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Connections option within the Data tab. In the Connections page, click the plus New Connection button at the top right. Now, search for Planner in the search bar of the Connections window. Select the Planner option from the search results. You will be prompted to authorize Power Automate to access Planner. Click the Create button to proceed with the authorization. A new window will appear, displaying the permissions that Power Automate requires. Review the permissions carefully to ensure you are comfortable with them. If you agree, click the Accept button. Once authorized, you will see the Planner connector added to your connections list. Next, return to the main page of Power Automate. Here, you can start creating your flows that utilize Planner tasks. Click on the Create tab in the left sidebar to start a new flow. Choose the type of flow you wish to create, such as an automated flow or instant flow. Follow the prompts to define your flow's trigger and subsequent actions. When configuring tasks, select Planner as one of the actions. Fill in the necessary fields to specify the task details and settings. Finally, save your flow by clicking the Save button at the top right corner. Your flow is now ready to run with Planner and manage tasks effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.